Hey guys, you know I love my Spritz, and this is a new version using my Prepped Ahead lemon concentrate. So easy, so delicious, and we got a little summer vibe going on, so let's do it. Prosecco, of course. So we're gonna fill the glass half with Prosecco, and then we're gonna do the other quarter of the glass with the concentrate. And then we're gonna top it with club soda. So good. I think we need a little more Prosecco. Okay, so now we're gonna do, we filled it like half with Prosecco, so now we're gonna do a little bit more. So now it's like a quarter up, right? Now we're gonna top it with club soda. Just a splash. You still want that beautiful lemon flavor. Oh my goodness. Whenever I do lemon spritzes, if I have raspberries on hand, gotta throw a raspberry in there. Lemon spritz, isn't that beautiful? Oh, that is lovely. Light, bubbly, airy. The lemon is beautiful. I love having this concentrate so that you can reimagine it into a bunch of different recipes. This is a perfect example. And then this in the morning, if my kids want lemonade, add some water, ice. They have their lemonade. I can make a non-alcoholic version with a little spritz in the afternoon. And then when it gets to about dusk, I don't know, a little brunchy vibes. How brunchy is this? Isn't that pretty? Thanks for hanging out. See you guys next time. Oh, that is delish.